My name is Andrea and gardening is my favorite hobby. Normally we are gardening in my backyard, but today you can see we're doing something different. Today we are here in this hot, ugly, dry parking lot with this very sad flower bed that needs a makeover. You can see how big the shopping center is and how drab the parking lot is. The flower bed that we're gonna make over is in front of Tulsa Hills Dental Care. Dr. Brandy Thompson and Dr. Melissa French have been practicing here in this location for over 9 years, and they have never had a beautiful flower bed. So today we're gonna change that. However, we have some challenges with this flower bed because it faces south, which means it's going to get very, very hot sunshine at the end of the day. In Oklahoma, it's not unusual to get temperatures of over 100 degrees, which means at the end of the day, this flower bed is going to be blazing hot. It also has no sprinkler source, which means the only water these plants are going to get are going to be from the rainwater. And doctors are way too busy to be out here playing in the flower bed. So we need easy maintenance plants that can handle hot, hot temperatures and require very little water. If you have an area in your yard at your house that also is blazing hot, gets very little water, and you don't want to be out in the garden, then today's your day because you get to see what we're going to pick to put in this flower bed, and it might be something that you would like to have at your house too. So let's get started. The flowers that I chose to put in the flower bed are Holiday Oro Daylily and also Happy Returns Daylily. And I read that they are exactly the same, except for Happy Returns is a little bit more yellow and Stella is a little bit oranger. I look forward to seeing the contrast. We also have our trustworthy Black-Eyed Susans. They'll grow anywhere. In fact, they can become a little bit of a flower bed bully. So you do have to be kind of careful where you put those. And it wouldn't be a full sunflower bed without a Shasta daisy. So we've got Shasta daisies also. We're keeping it cheap and simple. Pretty crepe myrtle will end up being bright red this summer. And I'll trim up around the base to make sure we get rid of those suckers. Hot out here, but we got things planted. I added some fresh mulch and I even decided to add a few annuals. So let's take a look. We got things cleaned up nice, added some fresh mulch. We added our Shasta daisy there in front of the crepe myrtle. We've got the Black-Eyed Susan in the back. That little guy there is going to grow out to be real pretty. I added some annuals, you can see, the daylilies. They look kind of crazy. They did come off the clearance rack, so we got those at half price. The crepe myrtle will bloom red, so I'm looking forward to seeing how everything looks when it's all bloomed out. I think the most challenging thing about gardening, next to the weeds, is being patient, letting everything grow. I didn't want to leave the empty spaces until our perennials actually grew and filled in, so I went ahead and put some annuals. I have Mexican heather here, that'll get real pretty this summer. Some super bells. Our daisy will look real pretty next to that. And then back here, we have a pentas. Got a couple of them. It's gonna take a little while for our plants and flowers to grow and bloom. I'm sure doctors will be thrilled, and also the patients coming in and out will enjoy seeing all the pretty colors. Make sure you subscribe and follow along with my channel, because that way you're gonna get to see as things bloom and flower, because I will give you an update. Also, if you are in the Tulsa, Oklahoma area and you need a good dentist, Dr. Brandy Thompson and Dr. Melissa French, they are fantastic. Tell them you heard about them from Favorite Hobby Gardener. I'll see you back here.